Hello, Leah. This is Mr. Johnson. I hope you're doing well. So here's hopefully the answer to your question. So with 76, yes, the answer is 3. And to answer your question, no, if this was a free response question, we wouldn't be able to necessarily answer it because there are multiple values of k for which this particular set of series would converge. So it's mostly process of elimination, a lot of what you did. So like I would say for A, B, and C. The reason that those would diverge is because the geometric series, the second one, is going to be an R value greater than 1. So it would diverge. And then with 2, 2 would make this first one the harmonic series, which is divergent. And so therefore it's going to be 3. So you had the right reasoning there. And yeah, if it was a short answer, you wouldn't be able to answer it very well just because there's so many answers that are possible. All right, with number 10, there's a little bit of an issue. So when you go from this step to this step, the numerator is not an addition. And I know that you tried to split apart the fractions, and that is totally fine. So if this was in fact the series, you could definitely do what you did in red. However, it's that portion that I circled in blue is actually not the way that it simplifies. So you have 2 to the n plus 1 over 3 to the n. That gives us 2 to the n times 2 to the first, because then you would add the exponents to get n plus 1, and that's the issue that you had. So this is going to be 2 times 2/3 to the n, like that. And I hope that that makes more sense. That's how we're going to figure this out. So you have your series as n goes from 1 to infinity, and I'll just pull the 2 out to the front. So you have 2 over 3 to the n. That gives us an r value of 2/3. Also an a value of 2/3. Keep in mind, I'm going to do the 2 here. I'm going to do that at the very end, okay? So we have, let's see, you're going to get 4, by the way, which you got, but you have 1 minus 2 over 3, multiplied by 3. So you have 2 over 3 minus 2, which is 2. And then you tack on that 2 that we had here, so it'd be 2 times 2, which is 4. So I hope that makes sense. You just simplified that initial part incorrectly, which I think was the part that started to confuse you a little bit. All right, thanks, Leo.